You just finished a U-try where you got to multiply a couple of complex numbers and add a couple of complex numbers. So let's see how that went. First one I gave you was a multiplication problem. You got to multiply 3 plus 7i times 3 minus 7i. So hopefully we're distributing. So 3 times 3 would be 9. 3 times negative 7i is negative 21i. A positive 7i times 3 is a positive 21i. And positive 7i times negative 7i is negative 49i squared. From here, see the i's are like terms. Negative 21i plus 21i would be 0. So those cancel out pretty nicely. We just have a 9 here. Also, the I squared is negative 1, and negative 1 times negative 49 is a positive 49. Then we can add our last like terms. 9 plus 49 is 58. Okay. The second one I had you all do was an adding problem. And so I had you add negative 1, minus 8i, excuse me. Negative 1 minus 8i plus 9 minus 3i. Okay? So if you want, you can get rid of the parentheses, and we're just going to be adding. We're going to do negative 1 minus 8i. We're going to add a 9. We're going to add a negative 3i, so we're subtracting 3i. The like terms, we've got a negative 1 and a positive 9, and negative 1 plus 9 is 8. Then the negative 8i and negative 3i are also like terms. Negative 8i minus 3i would be negative 11i. It's just like a variable where you're going to add or subtract the coefficients. And the I, it acts kind of like a variable, like an x, but we do know what it is. It's the square root of negative 1. But it kind of acts like that. You're not going to have an I squared or anything like that. You keep the i's the same. So we have 8 minus 11i as our answer for number 2.